Newport News Shipbuilding is working hard to clean and sanitize the shipyard and to follow Center for Disease Control guidelines. And we can all do our part by keeping our hands clean, by keeping 3 to 6 feet apart from our fellow shipbuilders, and making sure our work areas are clean and sanitized. To put this all together, a team of shipbuilders is working hard to get the job done.
We've been staying back about 6 extra hours to make sure that we can get all of the turnstiles and handrails and clean them off and make sure that if somebody does touch it, that everything is sanitized and wiped down properly.
From turnstiles to rails to work sites and spaces across the yard, shipbuilders are doing their part to keep the yard clean and safe so we can continue the important job of building ships.
They're doing all they can do to keep us open, safe, and productive.
It's nice to be able to know that you're doing something to help somebody else out and help your fellow shipbuilder out.
With cleaning supply shortages across the country and sanitizers running low, the shipyard is handing out supplies to ensure everyone has what's needed to continue keeping the workspaces, bathrooms, and equipment clean.
My thank you message to the shipbuilders and the subcontractors that we have hired to come in to help clean, to ensure that we limit exposure to our employees. I just want to simply say thank you for the hard work.
All right, great teamwork there, everyone. Make sure you are keeping up to date with the very latest information on our 411 website. You see the site there on your screen. And also make sure to follow our social media channels and download our app, NNS to Go. Thanks so much. I'm Brian Moore.